Hi guys, welcome to your first dance tutorial. Today we're learning our basic step for the dance.
Now this is a cool day because this is the foundational step that you will go back to. This will kind of be the filler for the whole dance. So that means we need to make sure we take our time in learning it. So don't move past this video until you feel like you are executing it the way you want to.
Yes, let's break it down.
Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna show you together because I think it's a little easier that way. Don't bother watching us hold hands here. We're just doing that for now. We'll show you how to get in frame in a second. So I'm gonna start as the leader to my left, and I go left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap, or side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap.
Followers, we're doing the same thing except we're starting on our right foot. So we will end up going right, close, right, tap, left, close, left, tap, one, together, step, tap, step, together, step, tap.
Essentially, we are just mirroring each other the whole time. Let's talk about frame really quick, because that'll make this feel a little bit more like dancing so you guys don't feel like you're just swaying side to side. Frame seems like it could be awfully complex and awfully stuffy, but it doesn't have to be that way. You guys are in charge of how you want this to look and feel. So you can have a big broad frame like this if that feels like it works for your music, or you can have it a little more relaxed. Some people even hold the frame like this. But we'll go over some of the fundamental things, and then you guys can maybe take video of yourself dancing and see if the frame is to your liking. First thing first, my left hand connects to Anna Marie's right hand. I'm on the outside, she's on the inside. And my right hand connects to the back of her armpit, and her left arm drapes over me there. Do you have anything you want to say about the frame, Anna Marie?
I would say followers, while we're in this, we want to make sure we hold our own weight on our arm, even though we are connecting our arms here, and to let this hand relax down.
This shoulder could get very tired if she's putting weight down on my arm.
I think that's all I have. Do you want to talk about timing?
Yeah, sure. I was going to think if there's anything else about the frame, but I don't think there is. This hand sometimes is a little strange. One or both of the either leader or follower can open that, and that can look a little awkward. So just make sure that these hands are just draped over one another. Timing-wise, it's all even timing, which is really cool. So we don't have to play around with slows and quicks, things like that. We're just going to do even timing steps. So it goes, I'll count it on the next one. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what those numbers relate to in the song are the beats. So we step per beat. Every beat has a step related to it. So it goes step, bump, ba-yum, bump, ba-dum, bump, bump, ba-dum, bump. And I think that does it. We already kind of showed them what it looks like together. I don't know if you have any other pointers or tips that you want to bring up.
I would say just keep practicing it until it feels so comfortable that you could hold a conversation with your partner versus having to think just about what your feet are doing.
The other thing that is important to keep in mind is that this is supposed to be a lot of fun. You guys are learning how to dance together, and this isn't just for your wedding, right? You remember the stuff afterwards, so make it kind of a date night. Have a good time learning this, and stick with the steps until you feel really comfortable with them.
Cool. Next up, we will show you how to rotate this step. That'll make it feel even more fun and more like dancing.
A little more dancey. We'll see you next time.